Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel for another episode of my Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera building. The metal kit is already on its way to be fully built, but I want to start this video with some information about the Superleggera itself. And let's do this right now. So the meaning of the Superleggera is super lightweight, and this Lamborghini has a lot of carbon fiber panels, a lightweight exhaust system, and more engine power. All of this gives a better power to weight ratio to this Lambo. The carbon fiber components include the rear diffuser and underbody covering, the rear view mirrors, door panels, and seats. Even the engine cover is carbon fiber with a special transparent polycarbonate plastic, replacing the glass window on a standard Gallardo. The 5-liter V10 engine has 523 horses, and with this the Gallardo goes from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour or 0 to 62 miles per hour in only 3.8 seconds. This Lambo has all-wheel drive system and also a 6-speed E-shift transmission with pedal switches on the steering wheel. With all of this, the Superleggera is really one very unique car. And now let's continue with the build of the Lambo. So in the last episode I got most of this stuff done. I still have to do the door panels, have to do this side vents, and I can start going into the interior. I can do the dashboard, planning to do the seats, belts, etc. For some of this I need to put on decals. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take a look where I need to put the decals and prepare them for the car. But before I do the decals, I want to take care of the door cards and the side vents. So let's take it out of the wrap. And see how they're gonna go. The top should go first, then the bottom. Looking cool. You can check the difference. Okay. Here. So let's do the other one. Okay. Alright guys, so we're done with the vents. Let's see how the door card's gonna go in. Okay, let's check it from the bottom. Seems good. Okay. Yeah, one door panel done. And let's do the passenger side. Okay guys, so now we got our door panels on as well. So let me prepare the decals and start with them. First I'm planning to do the dashboard decal. I already pre-cut the piece, so let's just put it in water for a little bit. The decals are a bit tricky, but don't get discouraged. Just do your best. The good part is that the decals are pre-cut, and after you put water on them, they really come off as a perfectly cut piece, and you just gotta place them on, move them where you want them to be, and dry them up a little bit. The instrument cluster decal came out really awesome. Now we got the steering wheel. You can place it and then move it with your finger. Actually, it's stuck to my finger, which is not cool. I'm gonna put some water to prevent this from happening, and do it again. Now we gotta dry it up carefully without moving it. Okay, the steering wheel came out awesome. Now we can go to the next part. And the next part is the Lamborghini logos on the top of the engine. Okay, before I do the engine covers, let me show you how the dashboard came out. It's pretty awesome, as well as the steering wheel. You see the bottom of the steering wheel, they made it look like carbon fiber. Really good. Over here. And those engine covers are tricky. But with a little bit more patience, they're gonna be really nice. Okay, let's do the second one. Let's get some water, make it easier. Okay, that's better. Looks perfect to me. Dry it up. And that's it. We got some awesome Lambo covers. Okay guys, they weren't exactly where I wanted them to be, but now I fixed them and they're perfect. So with this, I'm gonna wrap up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. This way you can follow up the build. Also, if you're looking to buy this amazing Lambo, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching.